Welcome to Class 8. Welcome to Class 8's English. This is also called the middle stage English. Dear friends, now look at the title of the book we are going to read this year. Wow, what a beautiful title with natural, culture and historical touch. This is the content of our book. There are 7 units in our book we have to read in this year, and all of the units contain 6 things about English language. Let's look at these 6 things today. So, the first one is reading comprehension. We have to read a story or a lesson in every unit, or a poem also. And the second will be the speaking. This will be a dialogue. Each and every unit we have to read and we have to practice. And then the third is exercise, the set of exercises which will about language practice. And the fourth, this is also exercise about writing in every unit. And the fifth will be study skills. We will improve our study skills in every unit by these exercises. And the sixth and the last will be fun. So we will enjoy studying this book. So get ready to enjoy, and thank you very much, dear friends.